Tired of grainy conference calls? Upgrade to 4K quality with the Venture Video Bar from Vaddio. The Venture Video Bar is an all-in-one 4K capable conferencing solution that can take your conference room and Zoom calls from grainy messes to making the person on the other end feel like they're right there with you. Once installed, the unit offers 5 times digital zoom and 110-degree horizontal field of view. That means everyone fits in the frame, and even speakers at the back of the room can be seen clearly. The camera itself has an 8.51 megapixel image sensor that delivers 4K video signals, features both manual PTZ and ePTZ control and tracking technologies. Using facial speaker tracking algorithms, it can focus on and frame in a single presenter in the space. If you have more than one person in the room, the Venture can also accurately frame a group of coworkers, eliminating wasted space and bringing the subject front and center. It also leverages the beamforming microphone array to pinpoint the speaker's position without adding distracting video motion. The 6-element beamforming mic array and hi-fi speaker system ensures crystal clear audio with natural voice reproduction. Venture uses a built-in DSP with echo cancellation, volume equalization, and noise filtering for natural communication. The built-in microphone has a pickup range of 20 feet, making it ideal for small to medium-sized rooms. But if you have a larger space, optional extension microphones are available. These connect using a single category cable and can be daisy-chained with up to 3 mics for the largest boardroom. Each mic also includes a convenient mute button and a status light. Included in the box is a tiltable tabletop mount and an optional wall mount, giving you a variety of placement options. You'll also find a remote control, 12-volt power supply, and a 6.5-foot USB-C to USB-A cable. No one likes being on a low-quality conference call. See and be seen clearly with the Venture Video Bar from Vaddio. If you're looking to get one installed in your conference room, reach out to a local AV installer. They'll make sure everything is installed correctly with the right tools and experience. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log in to davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or our latest podcast episodes. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.